Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Welcome back to C&S Corvettes. Once again, my name's Lyle, and for the first video of 2020, I have an exciting new product that I wanted to show you. Morimoto, the company that makes the C6 LED headlights and taillights that we featured in several of our videos before, has introduced new lighting for the C7 Corvette. That's the 2014 through 2019 Corvette. They are doing headlights and taillights. The headlights and taillights are both inspired by the Lamborghini Aventador, so they look very similar to the design you will find on that car. For today's customer, he just opted to do the taillights, so we had gotten them in right before Christmas, and this was the first day he could come in. So we've shot a quick video of just kind of a time lapse of the basics of what's required of you to swap taillights out in a C7 Corvette and to install these Morimotos, and you get to see how they work with the sequential functions. Any questions, feel free to give me a call. We will have a more in-depth how-to video coming up on these things, but for now I just wanted to give you a little taste of it so you could see what they look like and how they work. Any questions, get a hold of me at 800-886-5064. Until then, enjoy the video.